Welcome to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Kraken wallet using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Kraken app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the Buy Crypto or Buy button. Then, in the search bar, search for Bitcoin in the list or type BTC in the search bar. Tap on Bitcoin to select it. Now, enter the amount you want to spend. You can choose your preferred currency like USD or EUR, and app will automatically calculate the equivalent Bitcoin. Next, choose your payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or any other available options. Tap Confirm after selecting your method. Review the details of your order, including the fees. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm. Once you confirm, your Bitcoin will be purchased and added to your Kraken wallet. You will see a confirmation screen with the transaction details. And that's it. You have successfully bought Bitcoin on Kraken using your mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.